These are the divisions of number 13. Thirteen divided by 13 equals 1. 26 divided by 13 equals 2. 39 divided by 13 equals 3. 52 divided by 13 equals 4. 65 divided by 13 equals 5. 78 divided by 13 equals 6. 91 divided by 13 equals 7. 104 divided by 13 equals 8. 117 divided by 13 equals 9. 130 divided by 13 equals 10. For more videos like these, please like, share and subscribe to Small Wonderland.